Your love is like the ocean tide, steady as the wind and fierce as fire. Falling in will blur the lines and drown the fear of losing time.
Hi Ma, happiest birthday. I hope you enjoy your day and more blessings to come. And I'm really thankful because you are our mother, you are our CEO and president, because you are literally the best mom, you are literally the best CEO in the world. You have given us so much, and your effort is something that you can't compare to anything else. Happiest birthday once again, Ma. We love you so much. I hope you know how loved you are. And yeah, enjoy your day. I love you much.
Darkest season bears the way. The future's still an empty frame of burning nights and endless grays. Oh, wake up in the field when the morning comes.
Happy birthday, Ma. Ingat ka palagi and I will always be here to support you. And ang mapapromise ko sa iyo ngayon is lagi ako nandito para sa inyo in case na kailanganin niyo ako, and I love you. Ingat lagi.
Can't break love. All we are is never lost.
Unang-una nanay, gustong-gusto kong i-congrats kita kasi sobrang blessed mo na, ang dami mo pang natutulungan at nabibigyan ng mga blessing na tulad namin.
Sobrang thankful po kami kasi kumbaga isa rin po kami sa mga brand na tinulungan ninyo nung nag-start pa rin po kami. Sobrang blessed po kayo kasi nga po sobrang daming tao nung natutulungan talaga. Hindi lang po kami, kumbaga pati rin po yung mga empleyado ninyo na mga nagtitiwala rin po sa inyo.
Lead it to the heart. 'Cause you can't break love. Lead it to the heart.
Hello to my beautiful sister Lerma. I would like to greet you the happiest birthday. I know that you don't really celebrate your birthday every year. I mean, not as grand as tonight. And I was the one who really convinced you to celebrate your birthday this way because I feel that with your blessings, you are very empowered. I want you to share your beautiful journey to all of us, to the people who are close to your heart, because you truly inspire women like us to become what you are. I wish you good health, more blessings from the Lord, because you are a very good person. Inside and out, you are very beautiful. I wish you love and continued blessings from above. Happy, happy birthday.
The broken. 'Cause you can't break love.
Happy birthday, Mami! Love na love talaga kita. Alam mo, nakita mo naman, puro magaganda yung sinabi ko sa'yo, ha? Baka naman, lumaki-laki ang bonus sa app natin dyan! Yahoo!
Pretty woman walking down the street. Pretty woman, the kind I like to meet. Pretty woman.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Lerma!
As good as you.
Ay, happy
Mercy.
birthday. Isa ka po sa pinaka-genuine na tao po na nakilala ng Babas, nakilala namin. Salamat po sa pagturing sa amin na bilang isang tunay na pamilya, pagturing sa amin bilang mga tunay na anak mo. Maraming salamat po simula sa pool po na nagka-work po tayo ay hindi mo kami tinuring na iba.
Nanay, itong birthday mo, hindi lang ngayong birthday mo sineselebrate natin. Dahil from this day forward, araw-araw isa-celebrate natin kasi alam namin at sigurado kami na maliban po sa amin na natutulungan at nasusuportahan nyo dahil nagsimula lang naman kaming maliit, marami pa tayong pagsasamahan. We will share more blessings kasi ang sabi, blessings are meant to be shared. At ako man po, kami ng Baba, ang pinakabardagol mong anak. Pero kami ang nandito sa likod, harap, gilid mo sa kahit anumang laban. Happy birthday, Nanay!